Hey everyone, and welcome. Ever wanted to showcase your blog posts, portfolios, or products on your JupyterX website in a way that really pops? You're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the Posts widget. And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme, trusted by 200,000 plus users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450 plus ready-made websites, and offers exclusive WooCommerce features. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is click into the search widget box here in Elementor. I just typed post into the search box to find the JupyterX Posts widget. Now I'm going to drag the Posts widget and drop it right into the content area. Okay, it's time to customize the appearance of our post grid. First, I'll change the skin from outer content to inner content. With inner content, the layout of each post will be displayed inside its image. Now let's switch back to outer content. As you can see in outer content skin, the post content is displayed under the post image. Here we can set the source post type. It can be posts, pages, products, portfolio, and pop-ups. Now let's open the settings drop-down to further adjust our post's layout. Grid layout gives you a structured arrangement for displaying content in rows and columns. You can also choose masonry layout for your posts. How about the column number? Setting the column number to 5 creates a denser layout, allowing you to display more posts at once. How about we set it to 2 columns? I think it's better to set the column number back to 3, which should give us a balanced and visually appealing layout. Now let's play around with the hover effects. Would you prefer this nice scroll effect on hover? Or shrink instead? Let's switch it back to none for now. How about we turn off the featured image, date of the post, author of the post, or the categories. The sort and filter section lets you set the order in which posts appear in the grid. You can set the post order by date, title, menu order, or other criteria. Finally, I'll change the order from descending to ascending. You can also set specific posts to exclude. And that wraps up our tutorial on the JupyterX Posts widget. We've covered how to display different post types, customize the layout, and tweak the settings to get the perfect look. Now it's your turn to go out there and create some amazing content displays. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!